Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most popular houseplants in the world, the money tree, also known as Pachira aquatica. It's famous for bringing good luck, prosperity, and positive energy. But beyond that, it's a stunning, easy care plant that can thrive in almost any home. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know: lighting and watering, soil and pot choice, humidity and temperature fertilizing, pruning and shaping repotting, common problems and solutions. So if you want a healthy, bushy, thriving money tree, stick around. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more plant tips. 1. Light requirements. Money trees love bright, indirect light. Place it near a window where it gets plenty of natural brightness, but not direct sun. Direct sunlight can burn the leaves and cause yellow or brown patches. If your space is darker, it can survive in medium to low light, but growth will slow down. A grow light for a few hours a day can help keep it compact and healthy. Signs of lighting problems. Stretching or leaning toward the window equals not enough light. Crispy brown spots equals too much direct sun. Rotate the plant every couple of weeks to help it grow evenly. 2. Watering. This is the most important care step, because money trees hate overwatering. Water only when the top 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7 centimeters of soil are dry. Use a pot with drainage holes. Typical watering frequency: once every 1 to 2 weeks in spring and summer, every 2 to 3 weeks in winter. Water thoroughly until water runs out the bottom, then let it drain completely. Never let it sit in a saucer of water. That can cause root rot. Signs of overwatering: yellow leaves, mushy stems, moldy soil, signs of underwatering, drooping leaves, dry, crispy edges. Remember, when in doubt, wait. Money trees prefer slightly dry soil. 3. Soil and pot. Money trees love light, well-draining soil. Best mixes: indoor potting mix plus perlite cactus or succulent mix, or a mix of peat, sand, and bark. The pot should have drainage holes. Be only 1 to 2 inches larger than the root ball when repotting. Terracotta pots are great because they let excess moisture evaporate. 4. Temperature and humidity. Money trees come from tropical environments, so they love temperature 18 to 30 degrees Celsius, 65 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity 50% or higher. Tips: keep away from heaters, AC vents, and cold drafts. Mist occasionally, or use a humidity tray. In winter, move it to a warmer spot with stable temperatures. If leaves start curling or browning at the edges, the air might be too dry. 5. Fertilizing during the growing season, spring and summer. Feed your money tree once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer at half strength. No fertilizer in winter. The plant rests during colder months and doesn't need extra nutrients. 6. Pruning and shaping. Pruning helps keep your money tree full and compact. Trim long or leggy stems just above a leaf node. Remove any yellow or damaged leaves. If you want a bushier shape, prune lightly in spring. You can also braid young trunks while they're flexible, but do it gently. Never force it. 7. Repotting. Repot every 2 to 3 years, or when roots are growing out the drainage holes. The soil dries out extremely fast. Growth has slowed down. Move up just 1 pot size, refresh the soil, and water lightly afterward. 8. Common problems. Yellow leaves, usually overwatering. Check soil moisture and reduce watering. Brown, crispy tips. Low humidity or underwatering. Drooping leaves could be either too much or too little water. Check the soil. Leaf drop. Normal when adjusting to a new environment. Give it time. Pests, spider mites, mealybugs, aphids. Wipe leaves with soapy water or neem oil once a week until pests are gone. Money trees are non-toxic to pets, but always prevent chewing or ingestion. 9. Bonus tips. Clean the leaves every few weeks for better light absorption. Rotate for even growth. Avoid frequent moving. It can stress the plant. Use room temperature water. And remember, slow, steady growth is normal. Money trees aren't fast growers. And that's it. With the right light, careful watering, and a little patience, your money tree can stay healthy and beautiful for years. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. How big is your money tree? Or, are you planning to get one? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.